This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. In this video brought to you by the luxury world, we will unravel a fascinating twist in the story of Rolex, a brand synonymous with exclusivity and prestige. The days of seemingly endless waiting lists longer than your favorite season finale cliffhanger may end. With Rolex ramping up production, spotting might soon be as common as finding avocados at a trendy brunch spot. But what does this shift mean for collectors, enthusiasts, and the gray market? Let us dive in. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do so to stay updated on upcoming content. Rolex is shaking up its playbook, rolling out new production lines to tackle those legendary waiting lists. This is not just about increasing numbers, it is about making luxury a little more accessible. However, this newfound accessibility comes with a question. Is Rolex trading some of its exclusivity for a larger slice of the market pie? The company's production numbers are staggering, with 1.2 million watches manufactured and sales soaring to 10.1 billion Swiss francs. Rolex is outpacing competitors by a significant margin. Yet, despite these efforts, finding a Rolex at retail remains as elusive as a quiet moment in Times Square on New Year's Eve. New factories are in the pipeline, but market price remains. Will this ease the notorious waiting lists or merely temper the blazing gray market prices? In the luxury watch world, the gray market has long thrived on scarcity. With Rolex flooding the market with new timepieces, the dynamics are bound to shift. To explore this, we have tapped into insights from a seasoned gray market dealer. Will the increase in production make acquiring a Rolex a breeze, or are we mixing up a new recipe for market chaos? Rolex's new certified pre-owned program aims to stabilize secondary market prices, tightening the brand's control over its ecosystem. However, gray market dealers, with their resilience and resourcefulness, are unlikely to fade into obscurity. These players have thrived for decades and will undoubtedly adapt to the evolving landscape. While ramping up production sounds straightforward, Rolex faces a significant challenge: maintaining its legendary craftsmanship. The industry's demand for skilled artisans has never been higher, and finding those who can uphold Rolex's standards is no small feat. Robots can handle certain aspects, but the human touch remains irreplaceable. To address immediate needs, Rolex has rolled out 3 temporary factories, each employing 250 to 300 watchmaking experts. There's speculation that these facilities may focus on producing popular models, like stainless steel sports watches, or dabble in premium offerings like gold and titanium pieces. For instance, the Titanium Yachtmaster, a standout model, commands a 50% premium over its stainless steel counterpart. Signs of shorter waiting times are already emerging for smaller models, such as the 36mm Datejust for women. Meanwhile, rumors suggest that one of Rolex's upcoming factories could specialize in gold and titanium models, true money makers for the brand. This diversification raises the stakes in the luxury watch market, ensuring Rolex remains a step ahead of competitors. But what happens if Rolex starts producing its coveted steel sports models in abundance? Could this dilute their exclusivity? The brand walks a fine line between meeting demand and preserving the allure that has made it iconic. If Rolex becomes too accessible, those hefty price tags might lose their mystique. From the United States to Hong Kong, Japan, and Europe, Rolex's popularity continues to soar. In the US alone, demand has jumped 35% from 2021 to 2023. This global frenzy proves that Rolex is more than a fleeting trend. It is a cultural phenomenon with staying power. Looking ahead, Rolex's new production facilities, slated for completion by 2029, promise to enhance supply. This initiative includes the creation of 3 temporary production facilities in Switzerland, laying the groundwork for a permanent state-of-the-art factory set to open in Buell by 2029. However, even with these ambitious plans, the notorious waiting lists are unlikely to vanish overnight. The balance between supply and demand is a delicate dance, and Rolex seems poised to keep enthusiasts eagerly anticipating their next acquisition. The increased production aims to reduce the long wait lists that have become a hallmark of many popular Rolex models. By ramping up output, the brand seeks to cater to its ever-growing customer base while upholding its rigorous quality standards. This strategic move reflects Rolex's initiative taking approach to managing its growth and securing its position as a leader in the luxury watch market. Despite the higher production volume, Rolex appears committed to preserving its reputation for exclusivity. The focus is likely on meeting existing demand rather than oversaturating the market. Thanks to its exacting craftsmanship and dedication to quality, Rolex ensures that each watch maintains its prestigious status and enduring value. While Rolex's strategies may shake up the gray market, they are unlikely to eliminate it. With a tenacity akin to a cat with 9 lives, gray market dealers will continue to find ways to thrive, whether through savvy sourcing or leveraging their networks. These players remain a formidable force in the luxury watch ecosystem. Rolex's pre-owned program, while a smart move, is more of an added layer of control than a game-changer. It is a sophisticated attempt to stabilize pricing, but it is unlikely to disrupt the seasoned veterans of the gray market entirely. Rolex's recent decision to significantly increase production has sent shockwaves through the luxury watch market. While aimed at addressing the rampant demand and reducing frustrating waitlists, this move presents a complex set of potential consequences, both positive and negative. One of the most significant potential benefits is a reduction in gray market activity. The gray market, where watches are sold above retail by unauthorized dealers, has flourished due to the scarcity of popular Rolex models. Increased supply could dampen this secondary market, potentially bringing prices back closer to retail and making watches more accessible to genuine enthusiasts. Furthermore, a production boost could enhance customer satisfaction. Long waitlists have been a major source of frustration for many aspiring Rolex owners. By increasing output, Rolex could improve customer service and potentially cultivate stronger brand loyalty. This could also lead to a more equitable distribution of watches, reducing the perceived unfairness of the current system where certain models are virtually impossible to obtain through official channels. However, there are also potential drawbacks. A key concern is the erosion of exclusivity. Rolex has meticulously cultivated an image of rarity and prestige. Increased production could dilute this exclusivity, potentially diminishing the brand's desirability and long-term value. The fear is that a more readily available Rolex might lose some of its allure, impacting its status as a coveted symbol of wealth and success. Moreover, the impact on the secondary market remains uncertain. While some predict a price correction, others argue that increased supply might not significantly impact the prices of highly sought-after models. The gray market is a complex ecosystem with its dynamics, and the long-term effects of increased production on its prices and activities are difficult to predict. Finally, the production boost could intensify competition within the luxury watch industry. Rival brands may feel compelled to increase their production to maintain market share. This could lead to a potential oversupply in the market, potentially impacting profit margins for all players. Rolex's decision to ramp up production is a bold move that will undoubtedly shape the luxury watch market. While the gray market may experience some turbulence, it is far from extinction. The allure of owning a rare Rolex remains strong, and the chase is part of the adventure for many collectors. As we ponder the future of Rolex, one thing is clear: the brand's ability to balance accessibility with exclusivity will determine its trajectory. Will this strategy ruffle feathers or win hearts? Only time will tell. In conclusion, Rolex's production increase presents a complex dilemma. While it offers the potential for greater customer satisfaction and a more equitable distribution, it also risks diluting the brand's exclusivity and impacting its long-term value. The ultimate impact will depend on a variety of factors, including the scale of the production increase, the specific models produced, and the overall response of the market and consumers. What are your impressions on the Rolex topic that we shared in this video? If you enjoyed the video, we would appreciate it if you let us know by leaving a comment and giving it a thumbs up. Do not forget to follow our channel for more content. Thank you for watching The Luxury World, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.